Hi everyone, my name is Larissa Hearn and I'm the event coordinator with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. I'm here in our new Rocky Mountain Sewing studio and I'm very excited to tell you about our first event coming up for 2022. We're going to have a Handi Quilter event at the Aurora store on February 11th and February 12th. It's a 2-day event and we are so excited to tell you that it's a new kind of event that we've never done before. It's going to be a lecture demo style event, but we will have a bunch of different Handi Quilter machines set up for demo, and you're going to learn and listen about all kinds of cool techniques, and then you'll get to practice briefly on the machine. So we're going to go over concepts like free motion quilting, ruler work. We're going to talk about how do I quilt it for those spaces that are really difficult to figure out what to put in those blocks or what to put on those borders. And we're also going to talk about some threading, some tension, some basics, because you can never hear too much about that. And we have a wonderful Handi Quilter educator coming. Her name is Leslie, and you're going to love her. I'm so excited to have her out. So the event again is on February 11th and 12th. It's at the Aurora location. It's $129, and you can sign up on our website or you can call one of our stores. Lunch is going to be provided. All you need to bring is yourself and maybe a notebook to take some notes, and I hope to see you there. Thank you. Goodbye.